Hello friends, it is time to open another FabFitFun box. This is for the winter of 2021. I am an annual subscriber. I know FabFitFun has been a little up for debate lately as to whether or not it is worth the purchase or not. So let's go ahead and look through everything that I got on my box and see how I feel about it. Now, full disclosure, I am an annual member. Anyways, I can pick all of my products. So with that being in mind, like I chose all of this, so I don't know. It's not like if you're a seasonal member where you don't get to pick some of it and then the value of your box isn't as great as it could be, and then sometimes people are a little wah-wah about it. In my opinion, if you are interested in doing FabFitFun, the only way to do it is to go annual member, just because then you do get to pick all your products and then you don't have those products that are like, what do I do with this? I don't know what to do with this. Anyways, moving on. So let's see, it looks like came with some really cute stickers. Love that. We'll have some fun with that. Here is a coupon for $15 off your first FabFitFun box if I wanted to refer someone. I'm just gonna go ahead and save my breath, and I know there's so many people who are doing sponsored FabFitFun and I am not sponsored. So I'm assuming the reason why you watch this video is because you want them non-sponsored opinions about that. But anyways, moving forward, generally every box does come with a catalog. Last time when it came with the catalog, normally there's a couple pages dedicated to all of products you can pick and their value and whatnot, and then it was the last season that didn't have that. So that's what I'm looking for right now, because I do generally like to refer to that as I'm unboxing things, and I couldn't do that and it was a little annoying. But there are other really cool things in here. There's recipes, there's tips for how to use products. Oh, there's a whole thing about 50 New Year's goals. So maybe that seems a little ambitious, but you know, you do you, boo. Okay, so there are not pages in here dedicated to the value of each product. I'm assuming they did that on purpose, but moving forward, let's see. Also, there's normally all sorts of different coupons they include with this. So here's one for bright sellers, and this is a fun one because it's a scratch off like a lottery ticket. So I'm pretty sure this is only going to be good for those people who have not tried this before. I have tried bright sellers before. If we drink more wine in this house, I would love to go ahead and do this. But yep, okay. Only valid on the first shipment for new monthly subscribers. So anyways, if you're interested in bright sellers, I will link the video to that right now. What's this next one? Oh, it's for Michael Todd Beauty. It's in an envelope of some sort. It is 40% off your order, and it looks like they have different products for beauty. Let's see, wow, they got all sorts of stuff. The next one is for Sips By, which I have been interested in trying. This is the time of year where we go through a lot of tea. If I drink too much coffee, I start getting the shakes. But when I want to warm myself up, I generally go for a cup of tea. Nourish. Oh, these are the daily vitamins. We've talked about this before. Next is for HelloFresh, 16 free meals. Generally speaking, that's across 5 boxes, so there's the catch there. Next is a coupon for a 14 day free trial, 14-day free trial, 14 free trials. 14-day free trial to HBO Max, which would recommend. You already have it, but you know. Anyways, moving forward, let's look at the first product that I came across. So this is a hot chocolate bomb maker. So these are just little molds that you make those hot chocolate bombs, if you're not aware of what those are. I've never had one before. I've seen videos of them, been meaning to try, and that's why I ended up choosing this product, because this seemed like it would be a lot of fun moving forward. The next product, as I mentioned earlier, I drink a lot of tea, and this is the Vadam India recovery sampler. So this has 25 tea bags, different flavors. We have India's original chai tea, sweet cinnamon chai tea, turmeric ginger herbal tea, vanilla spiced chai tea, and turmeric spiced herbal tea. So this is what that looks like, and we're gonna have a lot of fun this winter trying those out. What's next? Ooh, this next one is the Tula Skincare Probiotic Superfoods Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. So I think I mentioned throughout this channel that I have been wanting to try this cleanser. I've been wanting to try Tula in general, just because I believe it was Jamie French, maybe before she did her channel revamp, was saying this was helping with her acne prone just skin with all her issues, and we have some similar issues with our skin. So I was like, ooh, I saw this product and I chose it because I've been wanting to try it, and it saved me lots of money at Ulta because I didn't go to Ulta to buy it. This next one, listen, some of their categories are like, there's like 3 different items in each one of your choices for a category. And I'll be honest, this was not my first choice, but it probably had other things in that category that I did want. So that's why I ended up with it. But this is Vegan Mani Moments Mani in a Box Duo with Nail File. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and look at what we're getting. So let's see, it looks like, interesting. This is not what I remember. So it looks like it comes in 2 different varieties, and it's like a full mani system. So for example, we have the nail file that it comes with, which it's not a bad nail file. It's just your basic nail file. I prefer my glass one personally. This first one is a vitamin recharge mani. So it's a 3-step manicure. So the first one is a sugar scrub. The second step is a cream mask for your hands, and the third step is a massage butter. The second set they gave us is a green tea detox. That's really hard to say. And it looks like it has, yep, the same type of stuff. I'm just assuming a different scent. Does it say anything on the box I need to know? Let's see, it says, get a salon-worthy manicure at home. This mani bundle is a perfect choice for girls' night in, bachelorette parties, staycations, or some much-needed me time. Our nourishing ingredients soothe and hydrate dry skin, leaving hard-working hands looking good in as new as 15 minutes or less. Girl, I'm gonna need to put this to the test because my hands, we're already in the season where they start getting just awful. They start getting ratchet, they start getting dry, they start getting cracked. I don't want to talk about it. I work outside for a living, so they suffer once it starts getting dry and cold outside. So maybe I actually was like, I can't remember what all was in that category. It would have been great if they would have said it in the catalog, so I could have compared it to the other items in that category, but c'est la vie. Here we are. Let's see, what's this one? It's wrapped. Oh, it's the Sunday Riley product. So everyone is super excited about this Sunday Riley product. This is a very expensive product, and it is the A+ high dose retinoid serum. So basically, dermatologists say if you have issues with your skin, retinol is like the go-to thing. It is supposed to like plump up your skin, make it look youthful and refreshing. So very excited about this. And this product, I want to say, is normally like $60. You know, editing me will make sure to like double check that. But like literally this product itself, the worth of it is more than the box. What else? Oh, I think I chose some jewelry because out of everything in that category, this was the one I wanted the most. And I just thought these are really cute. I don't really have any studs like this anymore. I have either broken or lost them, but this is what I'm talking about. It is the Kate Spade Earring Duo. Yeah, very cute. And they would go with a lot of different things. They'd be like the perfect thing to pack for a vacation because they're neutral and they would go with just about every look. And then lastly, I think, yes, this is my last product. So I think I was looking at this in a past box and I talked myself out of it because I'm like, I don't need any more like cardigans or shawls. And then, I don't know, I just saw it again. I know some people are bummed out when FabFitFun like offers repeat products. And I have mixed feelings about it. Like I honestly do. But anyways, so I believe they called this a scarfigan. So we're gonna go ahead and put on this bad boy. Oh God, I'm basic. I love cardigans. Can't get enough of them. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, love it. Anyways, that is it for my FabFitFun box for winter 2021. If you enjoyed this box, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking and commenting and turning on the notification bell and just generally doing all the things to make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other viewers so I can get more subscribers. Anyways, stay safe, stay warm out there, keep your hands moist, moisturize, all that good stuff. See you later, guys.